Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading this book to you, Penguins Everywhere by Bob Burner. Some penguins live in icy places and some live in the heat. The colors help them hide when they fish for fishy treats. Cold penguins huddle close with penguin heat to share. Daddy's warm, fragile eggs with tender, special care. Hot penguins fluff their feathers to cool off from the sun. The chicks call out from shady caves to ask for food and fun. Noisy penguins waddle and toboggan to the sea. Each one honks to find its mate wherever it may be. Penguins watch for sneaky seals as they swim and splash and play. Sleepy little penguins end another perfect day.